vegetable patties. Eva godak alut wagema rasa padai. Those look very fresh and delicious. Mata rollers dekak saha patties ekak denna. Give me 2 rolls and 1 patty. Oyata kanna tava mokut oneda. Do you want anything else to eat? Mama malu bani sekak kala balana gamati. I would like to try a fish bun. Malu bani seka sera ida natnam sera adu ida. Is the fish bun spicy or mild? Eka poddak serai hebei harima rasai. It is a little spicy but very tasty. Rasavat keti kama sahate ko payak tasty shorties and a cup of tea. Oyai mamai ekatu vela kamu eating together with you and me. Keti kama beda karne kasatutak sharing a snack is a happy thing. Api me rasa vindimu, let's enjoy the flavor that they bring. Karuna karala mutton plain tea ekak denna. Please give me a cup of plain tea. Oyagete ekata sini dana onada. Do you want sugar in your tea? Oh, hebei sini hendak vitarak dana. Yes, but only 1 spoon of sugar. Mama denne koyage me setagenam. I will bring it to your table now. Te eka godak rasneni eni saparisam wenna. The tea is very hot, so be careful. Mama eka nivena kam portakinam. I will wait for it to cool down. Keri ahara rasneta piyana kota vada hondai. The snacks are better when they are warm. Meka harima hondu udasana aharayak. This is a very good morning meal. Rasavat keti kama sahate ko payak tasty shorties and a cup of tea. Oyai mamai ekatu vela kamu eating together with you and me. Keti kama beda ganne kasatutak sharing a snack is a happy thing. Api me rasa vindimu, let's enjoy the flavor that they bring. Okkotama bilakiyada. How much is the bill for everything? Rupiyal harasiya visak venava. It is 420 rupees. Minasali Stuti. Here is the money. Thank you. Sadariyan piligannawa ayat ikmanin enna. You're welcome. Come again soon.